branches are popping off. It's hard to balance with that wind blowing. Oh, that actually worked. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Got that four-wheel drive kicked in.
Oh, yeah.
We've been here before, and we've been in this situation before. We know what we're doing. We're going over there to those trees. We're here to cut down trees, all right? You guys can watch if you'd like, just stay out of the way. All right, so here's the plan. I want to fall 1, 2, 3, and 4 all into this field. We're not cutting up the wood, we're just chipping the limbs. Maybe cut up the wood in like 15-foot sections so he can drag them out if he wants, but really we're not cutting it up. Can you tell them about this chipper, Eric?
Yeah.
Don't leave yet, the show's just getting started. The little one got ran over.
Are you interested in the 500i? You guys want to see what's back here?
No, this is not one of your relatives. I know it's black.
Check this out.
Look at that, isn't that fancy?
So this is where we put the limbs in. Oh. Dude, they're freaking rude.
We got 4 coming down. Tip's hitting this guy first. We got this one, that one, I believe this other.
Sucker's coming for you.
Coming for me.
No escape. Now there's one.
Oh my gosh, that thing was rotted.
Rotted on the inside. So I'm cutting these higher because of the fencing that goes through it over the years.
Yeah.
There's gonna be probably nails and stuff in here from all this barbed wire fencing. It goes all the way down over here. So all these are gonna be cut high. There's the first one. I bored into it, kind of cleaned up the back, and then went back forward with it.
Look at this hinge. Look at
Yeah.
that hinge wood.
Look at that. Look how long that is.
It's like almost probably 32 inches right there.
That's the
Okay,
longest
maybe
one-
closer to 29.
That's the long I've seen. Longest one I've seen.
Ow! I'm just kidding.
We're pathetic. too. If you noticed, the first one I was cutting from the one side, the right side of the tree, and I did a traditional face cut. This was on the left side with the Humboldt. So now I'll just do the other two in a different style, just practicing cutting on both sides with different cuts. Nice hinge.
It's beautiful, mate.
Beautiful night.
Heaps good.
Bang on. Ooh, look at that. That is some really white sap. It almost looks like frosting.
Yeah, it looks like frosting. Now it's bright in that room.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this hinge wood. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah, that's thick, dude. That's like the thickest hinge wood I've ever seen.
It's probably because we don't often drop. We're usually chopping them down.
It's really moist wood too.
Pulls from further in the fibers.
Yeah.
Further in the trunk is holding on.
That's crazy.
Because
That is freaking tall.
It's wild.
One more big one to cut down. Super bushy over here. All right, so I did left and right side Humboldts, and then I did a right side traditional, so let me do a left side traditional now. Why does this one look like it's setting back?
It almost does.
This one might get a wedge in it. We'll see.
You want me to grab that?
Yeah,
Or
probably grab a wedge.
you guys grab a wedge and axe?
All right, here we go. Back there and then have you hand the saw to me.
Okay.
Try not to
Hit the metal. Oh, you're crazy.
Whew. Sorry.
No bueno.
We'll just take it slow and then I'll see if I need a wedge. I'll probably stick a wedge in the back just in case. So just I'll just stick one in there.
I'll stay right here and ready. Right here and ready.
Wow, that one straight stood up. You're gonna have to be careful when you go feeling that. Some strong limbs.
Well, I'm glad it didn't hit the Prius over here.
Gosh darn Prius.
Keep slipping in cow patties.
There's a lot of cleanup to do here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back over there. I'm gonna just real quick, I'm gonna clean up these, make them flat
Okay.
so they're not stringy. And
Probably get started cutting up the limbs.
yeah, go ahead.
All right, here we go. This one will be fun.
This tree right here is coming out. gonna climb to the top of it, strip all the limbs off, top it, and then start chunking it down all into this spot right here. All right guys, I'm gonna venture up this tree right now. I'm gonna show you one more time. All the limbs are on this side. There's a house over here and some trees. I don't want to like create a bunch of hangers and whatnot, so I'll just do my best to keep all these limbs and all the wood in this spot right here. The other three guys are up on the hill up here, chipping those trees that I fell. I have my cell phone on me in case I need something from any of them. They can come down here pretty fast and bring it to me or help me if I need it. Anytime I get a chance, I like to throw my rope, my other rope, over limbs, because it just gives me a break off my feet, number one, and number two, it's just safer being tied in twice versus just on the flip line. But also with these longer limbs, when I'm on my climb line here, I can do a lot more with them. I can maneuver them around and whatnot. So you notice right here, there's a big hanger. It's torn out way up top, like 15 feet above me. Comes swooping down right here. I'm not gonna wait to start removing that. I'll start cutting it as I go up, you know, versus just going up there and then trying to cut the whole limb at once. I'll just peel it apart as I go up through this, make it shorter and shorter and shorter. Yeah, there's a couple big ones. That was one of them, so that's out of the way now. Still one here to my left, it's kind of good size, at the corner of this little building down here. So I'll just need to keep that one off that building. But I need to go, I might be able actually to cut it from here. Let me take a look. These branches are popping off as soon as I cut through them. They're really not hingy at all, so I have to be ready when it pops to push it. And let me see, might be able to do this now. Probably go a little higher where it's a little more comfortable for me to be pushing on it. Perfect. Here's the top of that broken hanger. I chopped it down to nothing and there it is, broke it out. Some branches, when you go to cut them, they'll be real hingy and you can push them around and swing them around. These, once you get a quarter of the way through it or halfway through it, it just pops and it's going wherever it's at. Gravity's taking over. Like 4 big ones right here surrounding me. I need to figure out. That's good. Pretty tall tree for its size, you know. Moving, but that's what trees do. Here's my top. It's actually a really tall, skinny top. That top's like 20 feet. I won't be able to go up on, after I get past these limbs right here, I won't be able to go up on that top. It's dead, so I'm gonna have to thread it down here somehow. Probably just let the camera run from here because I'm at the top here and sketch.
This is my day.
It's definitely moving around, but I don't have any indications that the wood's not healthy where I'm at. So that's why I'm still kind of moving up a little bit. I need to make this top small, just because there's really nowhere to put it down there. This is probably as high as I'm going to go though. Yeah, let me just get rid of these branches here and deal with this thing.
So we got the cows coming up behind us, picking up all the small stuff.
Yep. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm at the top as far as I can go, really safely. Wind's pushing this way. I've got some trees here that, you know, I could probably ride this top down, these trees. There's nothing down there I can break. There's an old truck to the right that I really don't want to, hit the truck. He said it wouldn't be a big deal, but I don't really want to do that. So I think I'll just kind of, there's a branch right above me here that if I slice cut this branch can come down and hit me. Wouldn't be the end of the world, but if I face cut it and send it, it's gonna really go out there. Slice cut would be the best. I could probably go a little higher on this. Let me go a little more, make it a little smaller, and then it really help me do what I want to do. I'll just listen for the tree to make any weird noises. I'd really like to cut that branch above me before I slice cut it. Oh yeah. So I felt that rock and it wasn't a great feeling. That was not a great feeling. Alright, this is gonna be it for height. Let me get rid of this branch, a couple of those. I don't want to go any higher on this. I don't wanna. Hard to balance with that wind blowing. Okay, I'm gonna go down a little bit. Alright. That's better. Sometimes that little bit makes a difference. Okay. I really don't like those branches right above me. I'll probably get slapped if I slice cut this, but they're small and dead, so I'm willing to risk it. I'm gonna go for it. Slice cut it here. Keep it on this side over here. All right, here we go. Oh, that actually worked. Yes, that was perfect. Slice cut. Since I knew I was going to be getting low on gas when I came up here, gas and oil. Here we go. I actually have enough in here to probably fill this up. Maybe another half tank. I have had to go to the bathroom the entire time, and it is not fun, and not number one either. That's so fun. Smashing logs on each other. Whew. That's pretty much it for this tree. I'm at the bottom. I'm gonna go back up top here and check out and see what they're doing. I'm at the bottom here. Wow, big difference. The trees are completely gone. Just wood right now. That's awesome. It looks like it's basically cleaned up. So, thanks for watching. I got lots more videos to come. I have lots of media I haven't even edited yet, so I just have to get to it. Tough working 2 jobs doing it, so I'll get it done. I'll see you guys on the next one.